Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. This evening, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna make some punch, plantain and peanut. You understand me guys? So this way you see on the table. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna use in my punch guys. Some bad punch this evening. So guys, watch how I go on. Yeah guys, so I wash off my peanut. You understand me? So I'm gonna strain in a blender. I'm gonna see what I go on. Peanut and plantain guys, be a badness. So guys, I'm gonna peel my plant now and train them. I'm gonna see what I go on. So guys, this is my plantain, ripe plantain. You understand me, I did. I'm gonna put in the plantain. Guys, I be a badness in our kitchen. Be a badness guys, I don't lie if you tell you that one I go pad. Guys, just watch what I go on in our kitchen and I come in a Nicholas kitchen. Be a bad juice. Be a bad punch. You understand me? I did. Be a bad food. So guys, watch how I go on in our kitchen this evening. I make some bad punch. Yeah. Peanut and plantain. Guys, no water. I'm gonna use a little bit of water. You understand me? I did. Watch how I go on guys. Yeah guys, so what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna pour my Guinness. You understand me? I did. Yeah. Guys, be a badness. Be a badness. Yeah guys. Yeah guys, so put in my Guinness. What am I gonna do now? I'm gonna pour in my supper gen. I'm gonna see what I go on. Yeah guys, so supper gen. So guys, I'm gonna blend now. I'm gonna see what I go on. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna start my blender now. I'm gonna see what I go on in there. You understand me? I did, yeah. Guys, I be a badness. When I come in a Nicholas kitchen, I be a badness. So watch what I go on in our kitchen. Guys, watch how I go on in our blender. You see that? Yeah. I'm making blend some more. You understand me? I did. Guys, just watch how I go on in our kitchen. And please like, share, comment, subscribe, click that notification bell. As a video drop, you have it guys. Be a badness. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look and peanut on plantain punch guys. So see you in our next video guys. I'm out.